seeing me. I don't think you guys are seeing me right now. I feel like Beyonce. Ooh.
Gina, you're wearing sweatpants. It's Monday.
So?
So that's against the rules, and you can't sit with us.
Whatever.
You can't sit with us! You can't sit with us! You can't sit with us! You can't sit with us!
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I went ahead and did my face makeup because today we're focusing on the eyes. I am so happy to announce that I've also gotten the PR box for the Alyssa Edwards x ABH, which is Anastasia Beverly Hills collection. And y'all, I'm shook. I cannot wait to dive right into this palette. I'm really excited, and let me just show y'all because I'm really excited. Okay, you guys, so this is the box that it came in. It's bomb, isn't it? Like, really freaking bomb. Like, it looks beautiful. Something that I would keep on my room. Something that I would keep in my room, on my wall possibly, because it's just that cute. And Alyssa Edwards is that girl, period. Yes, ma'am. Pink everything. Wow. And then on this side, oh, it's such a big box. And then, like, you get a really pretty mirror, okay? You get a fan, and then you get the palette. So cute, right? I love this mirror. I could just see myself. Hi, how are you? Next, it comes with a fan. A fan for my fans. A fan for my fans, meow. Oh. Is it hot in here to y'all? Whew. It's getting a little hot in here. Somebody pull out a fan. Ah! This is so freaking cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's so freaking cute. Ugh. I feel like Beyonce. Oh, I love this. This is so really cute. Really cute. This is what the palette looks like. So chic, so pretty, so pink. Oh, I love it. I feel like it embodies me, like in a say so. It embodies me. Gorgeous. Can you? Oh my god. Like that blue. I mean, like, the camera's not doing it justice. In person, oh my god, these colors are so vibrant, so pretty. I absolutely, positively love the color scheme of this palette. It just screams extra and gorgeous and bold and beautiful to me. I love it. I've never done my entire face and went in with eyeshadow afterwards, so that is what we're going to be going to do today. And whoo child, the ghetto. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring you guys in close so you can see all my pores, imperfections, credit score, social security number, and let's just get it started in here. All right, so now that I've brought you guys in closer, we're just gonna get started with the look. I don't know what I want to go with, and I'm really shook. Like, we have some nice color choices here. I really want to swatch that blue, which is Dream It. I really want to swatch Dream It. It looks gorgeous. Blue is my favorite color, so you know, we're just gonna go ahead and swatch a few just to see the pigmentation in this entire palette. Oh ma'am. Oh, that's just one swipe. Literally. One swipe. Let me see if I go back and forth. Oh my god. Yes. 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 Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let's try this pink. You did not have to slay this hard. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Love that for me. And let's go ahead and get this purple in there, because the purple, we might as well. Oh, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This purple is beautiful. Oh my gosh. There's nothing more pretty than those 3 shades. Like, those are my favorites. And that's exactly what we're gonna work with today. This is what I need in my life. Like, I didn't know I needed it, and I'm glad that Anastasia and Alyssa said, this is what you need. I'm giving it to you. Here you go. You're welcome. Anastasia also came out with an eye primer, which is huge because my eye primer was P. Louise base, and I'm really excited to see how this works because I really love P. Louise base, and that's kind of like my holy grail to get my colors to pop. But if Anastasia can beat out P. Louise, oh man, you're hitting the nail right on the head. So I remember Norvina saying that a little goes a long way, so I'm going to take heed to that and use 2 tiny dots. And in order to dissipate that into my lid, I'm going to take this brush. It's a no name, no brand brush, but it's like, I use it to buff in my concealers and buff in anything else that's kind of tiny. So I'm just gonna take that all over the lid, and I'm going to kind of bring it upwards because I have hooded eyes, so I like to go above my crease. Okay, so now that I have that blended out, we're gonna go in with the Morphe 506 brush, and we're gonna tap into Texas Made, and we're going to pack that into our crease area. Oh my god. Wow. I was not expecting that pigment at all. Like, at all. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm obsessed. It usually takes me a minute to do eyeshadow, so if I speed it up, then that's literally why. I'm not Jackie Aina. I can't do eyeshadow looks within like 5 minutes and they come out bomb, so it takes me a little minute. In the camera, like in real life, like, you know how they always say, like, in the camera it's not doing it justice, but in real life it is. Like, but in real life it's not doing it justice, but in the camera it is. And I hope you guys can see that. And my battery's gonna die. Oh my gosh, I'm so annoying. So annoyed. Probably gonna have to film the rest of this on my phone if it just doesn't work out, honestly. I wish my camera would charge while it's in the thing. And I don't even know what look I'm doing. I'm just really taking this pink and buffing it out. Okay, now I'm gonna take another okay, I'm gonna take another clean 506 Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color. I'm gonna go in with this blue, okay? And I wanna put that on the outer crease and like blend it with the pink. I wanna take that HOE one and I want to go above the pink so I can just kind of make it blend with my upper eyebrow. It's like a, what you would call it, a transition shade. Ooh. Okay, the camera's not doing it justice, but in person, this purple, oh my god, so freaking pretty. And I really want to take that gold shimmer called Inspire and put that and blend that in with the purple. So hopefully that works out. We're gonna see how that works. Oh my gosh, this is freaking stunning. Like, freaking stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye, do the same look on the other eye, and I'll come back when I am done and give you my final thoughts on this palette. Okay, y'all, I'm here with the finished look. So, what do you guys think? And I put on the most dramatic lashes I could find just to make up for the mediocre look that I created. However, that is only because I did face first and I was really scared to like mess up my base. But overall, I definitely will be using this palette again. Like, it's really pigmented. I love the color scheme. I love colors. I've been getting into a lot of colors lately, so it's perfect. I will definitely be doing another video using this palette. You're gonna see this palette a lot more because I really want to try that yellow. I want to try Beyond, Unicorn Tribe, and that white. I really want to see how this white acts. Like, I really want to try that. So overall, I loved the palette. I loved how easy it was to work with overall, and just the packaging. Like, the packaging really sells me on a lot of things. Like, if it's cute to the point where I want to put it on display, like, you've sold me. Also, how do y'all think I look? Oh, seeing me. I don't think you guys are seeing me right now. I feel like Beyonce. Oh, I love this palette. I really do. Anastasia, Alyssa, you guys did the damn thing with this palette. I really, really like it and enjoy it, and I can't wait to use it again. Oh. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys love this look. Please, if you do get a chance, go get this palette. If you are getting into color and you want to get into color, or you are into color, get this palette. This is a must-have. I love it. I just can't. I love it. That's all I gotta say about this palette. I love it. So if I love it, I know you'll love it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button because it's free. It costs you nothing. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because if you don't, you already know what it is. You cannot sit with us. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you all in the next video. And
These are all that fits me right now. Hi. You can walk home, bitches.